Were you looking for Jim's Kitchen? Then you've come to the right place. Today, I'm celebrating Pizza Pizzazz again. That's when I take a store-bought frozen pizza and I pizzazz it up. Grab a frozen store-bought pizza and add some pizzazz. It's a pizza pizzazz party.
Good. Yeah!
I'm turning this pizza into a full English breakfast. Okay, let's see how it's done. Let's start with the base. Spread on some baked beans. Crack on a couple eggs. Next comes tomato, mushroom, pre-cooked sausage, crispy crumbled bacon, and top it off with cheddar cheese. Let's get cooking. It's ready for my mouth. Full English breakfast pizza. Let's try this. It's all my favorite parts of a full English breakfast. And it's great. I love a pizza pizzazz. Do you know who else does? My friend Ian Good. Guess what? He's making a pizza pizzazz too. You'll have to check that out. See the link in my description. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Don't go baking my heart. I couldn't if I fried.